through. Mood. Mood maintenance, little by little, nothing dramatic, just the usual. Mood maintenance, piece by piece, just trying to feel some peace. No big schedule, just today, doing what I can, that's enough, okay. Mood. Morning starts kinda slow, brain goes, maybe no. Coffee helps just a bit, still not feeling it, so I step outside a while, borrow sunlight, lift my vibe. No answer here, no rule to keep, just a little self-relief. Mood maintenance, fixing my mood. Mood maintenance, feeling improved. Little by little, I'm getting through. Mood. Mood maintenance, little by little, nothing dramatic, just the usual. Mood maintenance, piece by piece, just trying to feel some peace. No big schedule, just a day, doing what I can, that's enough, okay. Mood. Play a song a little loud, eat what I like, drink what I like, laugh alone at something the mood says, okay, we're not done. Walk around and change the air like a bad mood. Who's my address? Not perfection, not a chore, just a little less unsure. Mood maintenance, fixing my mood. Mood maintenance, feeling improved. Little by little, I'm getting